months. That's how long hundreds of families have been sleeping under open skies, on beds without walls, under sheets of plastic, with no jobs, no homes, and no answers.
I'm standing here at Chandola Talab in Ahmedabad, or what used to be Chandola Basti, home to around 6 to 7,000 Muslim families. 2 months has passed since the demolition in presence of huge deployment of police and the State Home Minister Harsh Sangvi himself.
The official reason is to root out illegal Bangladeshi immigrants. But what followed was very different and for many devastating.
Unfortunately, 15 days back, because of acute economic and financial crisis, two men jumped into the Chandola lake that you can see behind me. Their bodies were retrieved later and they were declared dead by suicide. Most people around this area are unwilling to give them an employment, even something like daily wage or household work for women.
और आज भी हम काम करने जाते हैं ना तो लोग हमारे को गलत नियत से देखते हैं। ये तो क्या चंडू लेके है क्या क्या ये तो चंडू लेके है क्या ये तो क्या अच्छे नहीं है गलत काम होते थे लड़कियां बिकते थे जब लड़कियां बिकते थे तो जब आरोपी लड़कियां जो बेचते थे तो आरोपी तुम पकड़ो ना।
Farzana has lived in Chandola for 40 years. She has a ration card, an Aadhaar card, and every legal document. But that did not stop her home from being torn down or her dignity from being questioned.
काम है नहीं।
क्यों काम दे नहीं रहे लोग?
कोई काम लोगों का घर बार तोड़िया कहाँ से देगा लोग खाएंगे पकाएंगे कि खिलाएंगे कि काम करने लोग डर गए घर बनाने से भी
Sheikh Nazir Hussain built a new house with years of savings but never received a demolition notice. Today, he's out of work.
अभी मैं मशीन बेचना की है मैंने उसके लिए तो फिर मैंने एक भाड़ा भर दिया मेरे घर का अब मैं करूं क्या।
I'm standing at the rubbles of what used to be home of Muskan Bain standing behind me. Married just 3 years back, it was just 15 days that she had stepped into her new home that she had built by selling her ornaments and loaning money from loan sharks. Today, 2 months later, not only is she homeless, but she is also unemployed with a husband and 3 kids. This is where she still comes at least once a day trying to salvage, if at all anything, from the rubbles of her home.
सिलाई मशीन थी मेरे पास वॉशिंग मशीन थी मेरे पास बर्तन थे फ्रिज था जो कुछ भी था मैंने सब कुछ बेच दिया।
क्यों बेच दी?
क्योंकि हमको डिपॉजिट की जरूरत थी हमको तो कोई चीज की हमको सहायता नहीं चाहिए हमको सिर्फ हमारा घर चाहिए बस बाकी हमको दूसरा कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए।
With his cook's job gone, her husband now earns nothing. The family survives on borrowed rations and hope. Most of the children have dropped out of school. Single women are forced to beg, living in constant fear and vulnerability. Families are waiting for clarity, compensation, or at least a home with 4 walls. These are not just victims of a demolition. They are victims of lost paperwork, broken promises, and a system that erased their addresses without asking their names. They are citizens, workers, mothers, and children now labeled and forgotten. In Chandola, plastic sheets serve as ceilings, but the walls of dignity, those are far harder to rebuild.